1 out of every 6 candidates make it to their dream B schools even after acing the CAT exam. The reason being lack of right guidance and experience in the group discussion and personal interview. Though often taken leniently, we must know that the GDPI round holds about 40 to 60% of weightage in the final selection process of the top B schools in India. And so, to tackle this problem and increase your chances of final selection, here is iQuanta with its GDPI program. And in this video, I'll be sharing all the features of iQuanta's GDPI program that will help you to get through. So the first thing that you'll be getting under iQuanta's GDPI program is 7 one-on-one personal interview sessions under the direct guidance of mentors who were once aspirants just like you, but managed to get into India's top B schools. Here, they'll be sharing various tips and tricks to get through the final interview. And not only this, you will be guided with their personal experience that they faced meanwhile they were cracking this exam. Along with this, you will be getting domain-specific live sessions about writing outstanding SOPs, tackling the HR questions, and covering all the nuances regarding the PI round. So these were all our key features that will help you to ace the PI round. But if you face any problem in these live sessions, you will be assigned a personalized mentor that will help you and guide you throughout your journey. And not to be forgotten here, the top B schools in India have a very important element of WAT in their selection process. Now the WAT stands for Written Ability Test. We all know that. But do we also know how to prepare for it? Here iQuanta will be giving you daily WAT sessions along with a wholesome form filling experience which will effectively prepare you for the WAT round. So till now, we effectively covered the features for the PI interview and also the written ability test. But to brush you up with the important and current news items that are very important for your interview round and would also make you more likable and interesting as a candidate, we will be conducting weekly GK sessions as well. So to access iQuanta's GDPI program, you can either click on the button given below, you can give us a call on the given number, or you can also visit www.iquanta.in for more information. Now, as we say and believe, the more you sweat in practice, the less you bleed in battle. This is what we believe here at iQuanta to train you and get you through your dream B school.